Hello everyone, welcome to Hessan Knowledge channel. Today I will introduce our sheet table. It is used for placing your surface materials like HPL, Acylic, and metal sheet. There is an oven inside to keep the board surface temperature after glue coating. When the board comes here, there is a sensor will work, and the board will stop, the bubble will raise, and the conveyor roller will stop. Your workers on both sides will manually cover the sheet material on the baseboard. After completing the alignment, step on the foot switch. The board will go into the laminating machine. More information, please keep following Hessan Knowledge channel. See you next time.